Hello guys, my name is Shryansh. Today we are gonna talk about the greatest thing that is changing today in the other field in history, startups in the age of artificial intelligence. A few years ago, building a company required large team, huge funding, expensive software, and the years of development. Today, a small team with the right scale and the smart use of AI can build products that can reach to millions. The biggest opportunity is no longer just having money. The biggest opportunity is learning how to think, build, and grow faster than others. So, in this few minutes, I want to share three things: how startup founder should think, what skills matter mostly today, how AI gives an unfair advantage to people who can learn wisely and use it wisely, how startup founder think. Most people think startup begins with an idea. No, but the startup begins actually with a problem. The biggest founders found the problem and observe it. For example, why do students struggle to learn coding? Why do small businesses still manage inventory manually? Why is healthcare information difficulty to access? Why people are wasting hours to doing work? Every problem is a business opportunity. Successfully, founders ask, what problem is worth solving? Who, who suffers from it? Can technology solve it? Cheaper or faster? This mindset matters more than intelligence because idea change, technology change, market change, but the ability to identify the problems and adapt to it, that never changes. Another important mindset is this: smart small, learn fast, improve. Many people wait for the perfect idea, but startups grow through experimentation. Build vision 1, get feedback. Second, third, improve. Fourth, repeat. Speed of learning is now more important than perfection. Second, skills that matter in the startup world. In AI area, technological knowledge alone is not enough, but the most valuable people are those who combine technology, communication, creativity, and business understanding. Let's look at a few critical skills. A. Problem solving. Companies don't pay for degrees alone, they pay for solutions. Can you analyze a problem clearly? Can you specify the problem? Can you think logically under pressure? These ability create value everywhere. B. Communication skills. A founder must contain communicative ideas, visions, product value, and leadership. You may build a brilliant product, but if nobody understands it, it will fail. Communication is the multiplier skill. C. Digital and AI skills. Today, AI tools can write code, design graphics, generate marketing context, analyze data, and automatically works for you, and even help in discussion making. People who learn AI early will work faster than who ignore it. The future is not AI versus human. The future is AI assistant Humans versus non-AI humans. Adaptation. Technology changes every year. The people who succeed are long-lived learners. The skills of learning quickly is becoming more important than memorizing information. Third, the AI advantage. Now, let us talk about the biggest shift. Artificial intelligence (AI) is reducing the cost of creating almost everything. One person today can do the work that one command a designer, writer, developer, marketer, and analyze. Sir. This changes the startup game completely. A student with a laptop and internet can now build apps, launch website, create videos, run market, and reach goals. Reach goals. AI gives three major advantages. First, speed. Tasks that took days can now take minutes. Research became faster, coding becomes faster, and content creator becomes faster. Speed matters because startups survive by moving quickly. Second, lower cost. Earlier, setups need a huge investment. Today, AI tools reduce the cost that takes millions. So now you can test ideas without spending lakh or millions of rupees. What means more people can become successful. Third, better discussion making. AI helps analyzing trends, customer behavior, and the market opportunities. It can help founders make smarter discussion using data instead of guessing work. But there is one important warning. AI is a tool, not a replacement for human thinking. AI can generate answers, but humans must provide vision, creativity, judgment, and leadership. People who simply code AI outputs outputs will struggle. People who combine AI with original thinking will lead. So this is all for today's video. Meet you back with another grateful video. Bye bye.